Because you're watching this video, you'll probably see a sign today or tomorrow that's meaningful. You'll know what it is. I was thinking back about some of the really cool dreams I've had, and one that I really wanted to understand more of what it was about. The world was in transition. In one of the dreams, there was like an old man that had the earth in his hand and he wouldn't let it go. He was holding it tightly. And then he relaxed his hand and let it go. So he let it go. And then there's a sparrowhawk, a kestrel. They're a beautiful little bird. They're very colorful. We used to see them a lot when I was younger. They were plentiful, and now they're very rare. I don't know why, but I haven't seen one for years here in this area. And I was thinking about the dream yesterday, and what do you know? I saw one on the fence post, right off the side of the road, on my ride over to Springville. And he was looking down off an incline, and it gave me the feeling like he was going to move the earth because of the dream. In the dream, he had the earth with his talons, and he was moving it somewhere, like to someplace safe. He's taking the whole world through a portal or through a tunnel. It's like they're moving the earth through a portal. Stay tuned.